Hello, I'm James Freeman at Mark Jacobson Toyota, and here I have a 2017 Ram 3500 dually with the 6.7 liter turbo diesel Cummins motor. This vehicle has only 20,000 miles on it. It's currently priced at $56,990. We just got it in. It has passed inspection. It's had only 2 previous owners. It's a North Carolina truck. In very, very good condition. Pristine, actually. Body, paint, no scratches. Tires are in great condition. Already has a tow hitch. It has a spray-in bed liner. As you can see here, six-speed manual transmission. Beautiful truck. Inside you've got your storage compartments, one of these on each side. Comes with the rubber all-weather floor mats front and rear. Gray interior. It's got the step assist handles on both the driver and passenger side, as well as in the rear of the cab, as you can see here and there. Headliner very clean as well. $20,000 miles on the odometer. There's your 6-speed manual gear shift. 4x4, of course. Tread on the front tires. Tow hooks in the front. And here's that 6.7 liter inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel Cummins. Batteries wrapped. If you're interested in this vehicle, please give me, James Freeman, a call at Mark Jacobson Toyota at 919-724-0968. Thank you.